Hello everyone, welcome to our pronunciation series. Today's brand is a Swiss luxury watch brand founded in 1905. The name Rolex was actually created to be short, easy to say, and sound elegant on a watch dial. It is now one of the most famous watch brands in all over the world. Some people say it wrong like Rolex, but the correct pronunciation is Rolex in American pronunciation and Rolex with a typical Swiss French pronunciation. So say it with me, Rolex or Rolex. Here is how you can use it. He is wearing a Rolex watch. Repeat after me. Rolex with a typical English pronunciation and Rolex with a Swiss French pronunciation. Rolex. Once again, Rolex. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more brand pronunciation videos. See you in the next one.